Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. And this is your practical guide where I'm going to tell you how to demonstrate or how to practice the Omkar. Omkar, we all know, is a very holy word. It's consisted of 3 alphabets: A, U, M. And it is also called as a sound of the universe. And we all know, kind of everybody has an idea by now, that is a very, very important vibration, and it only brings positivity in our lives. And that is the reason it's so important. And we always begin any practice with Omkar. So Omkar, I'm gonna demonstrate how to utter these 3 alphabets. A sound is going to last for 2 seconds. U sound is going to last for 3 seconds. And Ma is going to be a longer one for 5 seconds. So you don't have to count. With practice, you'll be able to utter it very fluently. So let's see how it's done. First, sit in any meditative asana. Pick your favorite mudra. Right now, I'm doing Dhyan mudra. Eyes gently closed, chin lifted up a little. A long breath in and a long breath out. Breathe in. Now let's exhale in Omkara. So this is how we're going to practice. Make sure you're not rushing through it. There's no pressure. You're not holding your breath. It has to be with ease.